Can you craft in the kitchen? Yes, you can. You can do it with some ground lamb, ground beef, minced onions. All of this is to make kebabs. They are so good. Mixing all of that together with the spices that I'll list on the screen. And we're flattening out small sections of the beef mixture between 2 slices of parchment paper, rolling it out with your hands or a rolling pin, whichever works best for you, so that it's thin enough to have an even, consistent cook. And we're folding each of those sheets up. Until you folded up the entire package. And then however many you have, just place them on your baking sheet in a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes. I had about 7 packages of thin beef to cook. And once it comes out, it looks absolutely amazing. I actually forgot to take off the top layer of parchment before folding them, but it's okay. It works either way. So now I'm just taking out all of that juicy meat. Halfway through, I drained some of the fat and put it back into the oven. They came out so good. This looks amazing. Let's broil it. Once everything is finished, you can create your kebab, adding, of course, as much as you want or as much as will fit into the pita pocket that you have. The toppings on top of that, we're going to add our meat and tzatziki sauce and parsley and tomatoes and cucumbers, as well as onions. These are shallots. More tzatziki sauce. Oh my goodness. So good.